Here we go. We're in Florence, Arizona, and we've got raw land. 12 acres of commercial land, that is. Folks, this is a great location. This is commercial land, and look at all the frontage. And that's the 79 highway. That connects Mesa and Apache Junction and Gold Canyon all the way down south till you get to Tucson. And they drive right by the front of your property. That is when you buy it. Let's see some pictures of the land. Okay, so there's the 79 freeway. There's the north side of the land, which backs another road. And that's 12 acres of commercial. This is opportunity, folks. If you're looking for somewhere to build businesses, this is a location. And this leads right to downtown Florence. 12 acres. You've got Burger King on one side, you've got hotels, you've got other restaurants, you've got McDonald's. You've got the largest employer in the city of Florence, less than 100 feet from the land. Call us for more information. Paul and Jodi Pelczarski, the owners of Arizona IQ Realty. We can help you with this or any other land in the valley. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.